Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is on a Wednesday. It's on 17th January. So I'm starting this vlog by I wanted to update you on how life has been lately. So um first of all, I'm so happy because I was able to get a new fridge. It's behind me. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Today being on a Wednesday, I want to do a few things here and there. First of all, my hair looks really shaggy. I want to undo this hair by the end of today. I was editing a video, you see, that's my laptop. I was editing a video, currently making lunch, and I want us to make lunch together. So another thing, guys, we are almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button if you're new here. And I also want to thank my supporters, that's my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always supporting me. We are almost to get monetized, so I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. There's no electricity in the house, that's why I'm using my gas to burn my meat instead of my pressure cooker. So this is the one I got. It's a Roach brand. It's to 10 liters. And so onto my freezer, I don't have anything much. And then onto my fridge, this is what I'm worried about, because I have ndomas here, and then I have so many bananas. I have these bananas and these ones, and then here are my sweet potatoes. Here I have this cake, leftover cake. These are more of ndoma, arrowroot, and here I have uncooked ndoma. So nothing much. I want to do like a fridge organization. I think I'll do that on my next video after I do shopping. So I'm making, currently my meat is boiling, and I want to boil some rice, have it with meat and greens. Here I have tomatoes and onions, and then I got this idea of using, like, recycling your, what will I call it, like the mzinga we buy. You use these, their glass, you recycle these bottles, and you can use them to put your oil and water for cooking. So that's what I did. Nothing has really changed on this part. The only thing that I changed was this kanini, this spoon holder. It was currently at this position, so I had to move it to the other side, which is away from my gas, so that, you know, that's self-explanatory. So I wanted to really update you on life lately. I'm so proud of myself that I was able to get this fridge. I really saved on it to get it, because bana tume survive jo. So yeah, let's make some lunch.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
So guys, I've served 2 dishes. One is for my lunch, the other one is for my supper. I'm heading out right now. So guys, I'm done. A quick outfit of the day. I have this purple top, and then these gray jeans, and then these 2 doll shoes, black ones. So this is the simple outfit of the day. It looks cute, so let me head out then. Oh, the bag of the day is this purple bag. I'll talk to you maybe in the evening or tomorrow. So hi guys, I finally managed to undo my hair, so I'm heading out. And a quick outfit look. So I have this long sleeve black top and a blue jeans. So that's the outfit of the day. Then I have a few things that I want to do today. First of all, I'm carrying this bag. It has my blow dry. This blow dry is not like working properly, so let me show you. So like I want to go and find a fundi who can like kutengeneza it, because it's not working properly. And as you know, I need this, especially now I have unbraided my hair. I can't.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
So hi guys, good morning. Today is on Friday, the following day. So I've just woken up and I want to do some cleaning. My house is really in a messy way, so I want to clear everything. As you can see, everything is everywhere, so I want to clean this house, then go for grocery shopping, but I'm not yet decided, so I'll decide on that once I clean up. Okay, done with the cleaning. Let me show you the smartest house ever. Let me show you how the house turned out. It's so clean. So this is the current situation. Everything is clean and back to where it's supposed to be. I was testing this blow dry and it's working perfectly. So I was testing it. It's working nicely. So finally someone managed to fix it. So yeah, I also wanted to do a quick haul for you on what I bought yesterday from Naivas. So I got this 24, is it 24? No, 22 pack smokies. Then I got 2-pack queen cakes. I've already opened one. Then I got hot and sweet sauce, canned tomato sauce. I got yogurt. There were 2. And I got these 2 liters soda, Coke and Fanta. I got ice cream. I got tea leaves, and then I got Rhino Kubwa Kiberiti. So that's what I managed to get. I got a microwave yesterday. It's new, so I got this brand Roach. It's the same as to my fridge, Roach microwave. It's so nice. I love it. The color is nice, the size is nice. It's a 20 liters microwave. So this is its menu. So what I want to do is take a shower, wash my hair, then blow dry it. I don't know I don't know when I'm going to do this hair.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't around, turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down.
I wanted also to share with you that I managed to go to the market, but I'm not going to do a haul for you right now. I'm going to do that tomorrow. So hi guys, good morning. Today is on a Saturday, and as you remember, I don't know if you remember yesterday me mentioning that I managed to go and get some groceries. So I bought a few things which I want to do a haul for you before I forget. To my first item, I got tomatoes. I've already opened because I needed a few to cook with. Peas, this is minji, garlic, ginger, carrot, onions. This is waru, this is potatoes. Yeah. I got green capsicum and some unripe avocados.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
I have arranged everything. So here I have my tomatoes, here are my onions, and there are my bananas. So onto my fridge. On the fridge part, we have, on the first section, we have my what, my smokies, my queen cakes, and my bread. Then here we have bananas, some of the sweet potatoes that I haven't boiled. By the way guys, I didn't tell you that I bought some maize, so I almost forgot. I should chemsha githeri with them before I forget. So here is my garlic, and here is some leftover ndomas, and that's my maize, and this is meat broth. So on the other section I have my hohos, I have ginger, here are my carrots, these sweet potatoes, and here is my uncooked ndoma arrowroots. So that's how that part looks like. So on to the other section, I have my sodas here, my sauces here. I have eggs, I should restock on that. I have more sauce, I have soy sauce, then I have Indomie. So that's the fridge part. That's how I have organized it. And onto my freezer part, I haven't actually stored anything here apart from ice cream and this leftover githeri. Ice cream and githeri. So yeah, nothing much.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So hi guys, it's been a few days since I talked to you. So today is on a Tuesday. I'm heading out. I want to go to Salon and get my hair done, so I want to do that. So a quick outfit of the day: I have this black t-shirt, a gray trouser, and these store shoes. And the hairstyle of the day is that one. Then I have this beautiful pink smartwatch. So yeah, that's the look of the day. So let me head out, then I'll find time and talk to you again.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm having Indomie. This is so yummy. And then I'm also folding these clothes that I washed yesterday in the morning before I left the house. So I want to fold these ones as I finish up on my lunch. Then I have like another laundry waiting for me, but I don't think I'm going to clean these ones right now. I think I'm going to clean them in the evening. So let me finish with these ones first, then I'll what? I'm making dinner and I'm making rice, and this is kamande. It was in the freezer, so I've removed it so that it can defrost.
My shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is on a Thursday. I'm heading out and I wanted to like quickly show you my outfit of the day. I'm currently warming my lunch. It's in the afternoon, so let me show you a quick outfit of the day. So this is the simple outfit of the day. So I have this black crop top. It's long sleeved, I love it. Then I have this maroon corduroy trouser, if I may call it. Shoes, you know, the shoes. And the bag of the day is this one, this maroon and brown. So guys, this is the outfit of the day. So cute, I love it.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed.
guys, hi, hello. So I'm heading out and I wanted to quickly show you the outfit of the day. Today is on a Friday. It's a quick outfit of the day. I have this white top, a black jeans. I know you have seen this before, and these beautiful white shoes. So, and the bag of the day is this black one. So let me head out, then I'll see you maybe within the course of the day, or maybe tomorrow as I also show you my outfit. So yeah, love you all. Subscribe, like, and share my content. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I will be so happy if we reach the target. You can comment down below and give your reveal of my videos. So thank you so much for those who have been supporting me. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. So if you know you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, please hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I love you all. Hi guys, good morning. Today is on a Saturday. I'm going to Nairobi. I have a few things that I'm following up on. Quickly show you the outfit of the day. So I have this beautiful yellowish, or it's mustard top. Then I have this my usual black jeans, you know this, and then I have these cute sandals. So that's the simple outfit of the day. So if I'll be able or have any chance to like film for you, I'll do that. Then I wanted to pass by China Square. I needed fridge containers, towels, and
Too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you'll find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you'll find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it